Well, good morning everyone, and thank you for joining us today at our 2024 Capital Markets Day. Over the years, athletes have used our technology to improve their performance, added realism to blockbuster movies, and is favoured by iconic brands, as well as picking up a few awards along the way. We've made good progress to date with our 5-year plan. We continue to grow and develop our IP-rich products and services. We have a proven growth business celebrating our 40th anniversary this year. We are global, providing robustness and diversity of markets and customer bases. We have a progressive dividend policy and a robust balance sheet with cash for us to execute on our goals. And thank you so much again for taking the time to come and your continued interest in Oxford Metrics. Thank you.